Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I breathe.
Hey love, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I am back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful bold red lips makeup look with a little bit pop of color. This will be justified for any kind of western as well as Indian outfits. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first I will be prepping my skin, and for that I'm going to be using Pixi Beauty Vitamin C Serum, and I have used this serum lot of times in my tutorial, and you guys know my love for this serum. This serum is so soothing and gives you proper moisture balance to your skin and gives that perfect glow for the makeup application. After that, I'm going to be using the MAC Stroke Cream. This is hydrant and as well as illuminating cream. I'm going to apply it to my cheeks as well as to the forehead areas. For my foundation, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and my shade is a 332. The shade name and number will be described below in the bottom bar, so make sure to check it out. First, I have applied it on the dotted motion, and after that I am using a flat top kabuki brush from Zoiba to blend it out properly. In that case, you want a full coverage look of your foundation. Please use a makeup flat top brush instead of a sponge. It will give you a perfect base and full coverage look. For concealer, I am going with the Take Cover Concealer by PAC Cosmetics, applying it to the under eye areas, my nose bridge, cupid's bow, chin and little bit on the eyelid as well, and blending it out with the same brush which I have used for my foundation blending. You can see it instantly brightened up the area where I have applied the concealer. I'm setting my base with the Sugar Cosmetics Powder Play Banana Compact, and it's very nice, mattifying, compact, and keeps you sweat proof and as well as smudge proof from a longer period of time. So nowadays this is my go-to product. Now move on to the brows. I'm going to use the Absolute New York Brow Pencil. It's a good dupe for the Benefit Goo Proof Brow Pencil. You guys know my love for the Benefit, and this is my second lovable brow product. I kind of freaking love this product for its precision, application and creaminess as well as the texture. Everything is really good. I'm just filling out the brows in circular motion and horizontal strokes. Applying the Stay Quirky Badass Kajal to the lower waterline as well as lash line to give my eyes some depth and definition. Now I am using this Morphe 35B palette and taking this pop of yellow shade. I'm just applying to the inner corner of my eyes to give that look some sort of color, to give it like beautiful slushy look, and taking this orange shade from the same palette and applying it as a blush to give my cheeks some color. Also applying it to the nose like to give some definition and bring back the colors on my face to look beautiful and flushy. I am using this Gerard Cosmetics face palette and taking this contour shade and applying it to the hollows of my cheek to give that sharp and edgy look. Also I am going to apply it to the jawline because I have little bit of jaw breaking out, and after that I am going to apply it to the forehead and nose contouring. So taking this highlighter from the same palette and applying it to the highest point of my face, like in the cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose bridges as well as in the chin area, and also going to apply it to the brow bone and my forehead area. For my lips, I am going with Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade Brazen Raisin, and it's like 01 number. It's a proper red shade and beautiful for every skin tone, be it a fair, dusky and medium skin tone. It will look gorgeous on you. You can pair up any look. And I'm finishing my look with the Wet n Wild Max Voluminous Mascara. This mascara is a game changer for me. You can see that how it gives volume as well as give a proper length to my lashes. I'm applying it both on the upper lashes as well as lower lashes. And here is the final look. look is appropriate for like any kind of occasion. You can pair up this look in upcoming festive season as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if this video is helpful for you, if it is, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Check out all the videos linked below. I'm sure you're gonna love them. And also do not forget to press the bell button to get notified every time I will upload a new video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Bye.